So here we are back by popular demand to see the interior of the nut and bolt Jaguar XJ-S Lister that we've just completed. The labour of love, bought 7 years ago, about 4 years in the making this. So you can see here we've remade the door cards, we've embossed Lister into the door cards. This wasn't actually with the original car. We've got original Lister seats in here as well. So these are as would have come out from Lister in 1986, 87 I think it was actually when it was converted. The car is 1982. As you can see here we've got some very beautiful pure wool carpets throughout the entirety of the car. No expense spared with this real labour of love, no budget restrictions showcase really of what we can do, or should I say what Laz can actually achieve with a free rein, I think we'd call it. Look in the back here, there you go. All of these are the original seats. They've been recolonised, they've been completely resprayed and treated many times over to give them a beautiful lustre again and make them look like they were out the Lister factory, not necessarily the Jaguar factory, because the mods on this mean that it is very different to the car that left the factory line in 1982 from Jaguar. But every bit of detail, of course this is a manual V12, very rare itself. So I'll just show you the boots as well, which Laz is just sort of fettling with there just to make it quite perfect there. We have the cover on the back which he's just putting in, but as you can see we've got a spare RW wheel actually, which is not the Lister spec, sorry, is a Lister spec but a lower spec one. We've actually replaced these with the actual Lister high-end wheels, which as you can see are down here, which again very different to any Jaguar wheels you'd actually see. Quite iconic and just to the Lister there. And there we go. We've got the cover temporarily on the battery there, but as you can see, 100% carpet. Thank you, Aldridge, for supplying those. And of course, must mention Image wheels for refabricating these wheels to fit our particular model of Jaguar XJ-S Lister. Absolutely beautiful. A lot of comments about things like this in all the posts actually, strangely. The wheels always get mentioned, which just finishes the car off, I think. Well, there we have it. That's the result of nut and bolt 4 years restoration. Thank you.